everybody. Hello. Right, so we'll continue with this botanical little thing, accordion journal, I guess it is. Sort of. Well, it's not really a journal because there's not much journaling space in it. You could journal down there. Today I'm going to be working on this page. I haven't quite worked out what I'm going to put on there yet, I think. So yeah, I'll work on this. And all that I've done is I've dib-dabbed the background. I didn't put gesso on first, and that was a big mistake. I don't know why I didn't, just forgot to do it. And you can see that where it's landed is where it's landed. I can't get it to move. It won't move on this cream card. So that's what we've got. What we've got is what we've got. And I've laid out some things. I've laid out this sticker from the library of stickers. I really like it. It's gorgeous. And then I made myself some paint swatches. And I made them, cut them out, and then put them onto more of this that I'd coloured the same colour. Because I'd painted them onto white mixed media card. And, you know, it didn't look right being in white. So yeah, that's a slow down, girl. Right, so my thinking is that's going to go there, that's going to go there. These two pieces came out of this little pad here, and I thought that maybe they could go sort of there and there, like so. And I've got the stamp book out in case I want to use it, and I don't think I do. And I've also got a stamp out, and I thought that that might look quite nice just in the background there, or maybe a leaf. It's one of the ones we found in the drawer. That leaf there, which is quite nice as well. I think I'll stick with that one. It's the one I picked out first. So I'm just going to put it together. I've no idea whether it's going to work or not. Just give it a try. So I'm going to ink around things and stick them down. So the bottom... before I do that, I want to put some text stamp on there. Nearly forgot that as well. What's going on? So I've got my text stamp, and I'm going to use the fallen leaves, the dark colour, but I am going to use second generation, so I just need a bit of scrappy paper. So this will do. So I'm just going to stamp off and then stamp onto here. Oh, it's still dark. I just want little bits like that. Perfect. Perfectly perfect. Yeah, that's the sort of background that I had in mind. It's a bit dark there, but yeah, that's fine. I'm happy enough with that. That's great. So now we need to ink around the pieces that we're going to put down, which are these. And I'm still using my finger dauber and the VersaFine ink. I don't think I'm going to be adding any other medium to this, but it's a nice rich brown colour. So kind of want that to go down there. And then these are going to be tricky to ink around, I think, because they're very thin. Oh no, they're kind of all right if you hold them properly. I'm thinking tomorrow I'm going to get a new drawer out, and not forget what we've got in these drawers, but just give us something else to play with a little bit. But all the drawers around that other one they're all stamps, and I'm not ready to sort my stamps out yet. I've just got way too many. I've got a serious problem. I said that to somebody last night on the night before last on the YouTube chat. I just, not chat, you know, the comment. I think I've got a problem. And yeah, I do. So I'm thinking I'll put them there, and then I'll stamp that over. Yeah, okay, let's stick them on. So the first one's the blue. And I haven't got any text or anything on this. It's just plain blue. But I think that's all right. There we go, and then the green. So my colour swatches are not perfectly matched, to be honest with you, but they're near enough. They give, you know, they give the idea. And that one I want to go about there. Lovely. And I'll stick this one on. This one's going to take a bit more sticking because it's quite thick card. So, no, I want it the other way, that way. So there we go. Let's just hold that down for a minute. I think that'll be all right now. So this, yeah. I want it in a background colour. I want it there, but I want it in a backgroundy colour. And I don't know whether to use sand dune or portobello. I've got a little scrap of card here. Let's just try it with the sand dune first, see if it stands out enough. It's quite nice actually. I think it's probably fine. Let's just try the portobello. Yeah, I think that's a bit too much. We'll go with the sand dune. And although I'm not fussed about it being perfect, I'll definitely need a stamp block. I can't do it wibbly wobbly and like that. That's just too wibbly wobbly. Let's just wipe off that portobello. It's just for a background, that's all. Just to build the background up. Want it sort of more over that side, so about there, I would say. Give it a good press down, because it's going over different levels, and stamps never like that. Oh yeah, that's fine. It's just there, isn't it? It's just in the background. Let's just see what that's going to look like over the top. Quite nice, I think. Mr. F's been shopping today. He's just actually this second come back and set me up. I don't think we need any more than that. I think that's a really nice page. Excellent. And I'd been prepping this while he was out, so I'm just looking for my knife. So today it is quite well prepped, but yeah, like I say, I'm going to get another drawer out, but I'll probably choose the one that's got a bit of loads of stuff in that I don't know. Oh my my goodness me. Come on. I did get quite good at this at one stage. But, oh, we got it. These are the shiny ones, which I'm not a huge lover of, and you can, if you want to, put matte medium over them, and I might just do that actually, because it's very shiny. You can't really see it on the camera, but it's, yeah, it's horribly shiny actually. So let's make sure we've got that burnished down properly over all these different heights of stuff underneath it. Yeah, so get prepared for going out through another drawer. Like I say, I'll choose one where there's a load of stuff in that I've never seen before in my life. Which obviously I have, but... There we go. I think that looks quite nice actually for a really quick page. Let's get some matte medium out. And we'll go over it and just try and knock that shine back a bit. Actually, burnishing it properly does help, but it is very shiny. And one coat of this isn't gonna do it, to be honest, but just looking for something to put this on. Take the top off. It's easier. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Let's tip that back into there. Oh my goodness me, that's why I don't take the top off, obviously. Right, I'll live with that. So it's a good job that I did everything in the VersaFine, because now nothing's going to move when I do this. And it might even need 2 coats, you know, to really dull that down. But it will, in the end, dull down. Just make sure that's got a really quite thick coat on it. That looks a lot better even like that, to be honest. Let's see how much more of this I can get put back in the pot. Quite a bit. Quite a bit. Let's put that on there. Put that in my water pot. And that, guys, I think is today's offering. Don't know what you think of it. Actually, I quite like it. I think it's using those stamps to good effect. I could have done with the stamp that I put on being more visible. So, you know, I'll learn from that. But everything else I like. I like the little bits of text in the background. I like these 2 pages from that tiny little book. So, yeah, there we go. That is today's offering. I hope you like it. What does it look like with that? Yeah. That looks all right. Okay, so I'll see you really soon when we'll go out through another drawer and see what we can discover. Bye for now.